Which tag is used to display a picture in HTML? Option A, less than img greater than option B, less than picture greater than option C, less than image greater than option D, less than photo greater than. The correct XT option A, less than img greater than. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Option A, less than link greater than option B, less than href greater than option C, less than a greater than option D, less than photo greater than. The correct option C, less than a greater than. Which attribute specifies the URL of an image? Option A, href option B, src option C, link option D, URL. The correct option B, src. Which tag is used to insert a line break? Option A, less than break greater than option B, less than bridge greater than option C, less than lb greater than option D, less than line greater than. The correct option B, less than bridge greater than. Which element defines the largest heading? Option A, less than h6 greater than option B, less than h1 greater than option C, option D, less than heading greater than head greater than. The correct option B, less than h1 greater than. Which tag is used to create an ordered list? Option A, less than ul greater than option B, less than ul greater than option C, less than dl greater than option D, less than list greater than. The correct option B, less than ul greater than. Which HTML element is used for inserting a background image? Option A, less than body background equals image.jpg, greater than option B, less than background greater than option C, less than img background greater than option D, less than bg image greater than. The correct option A, less than body background equals image.jpg, greater than. Which tag is used to define a table row? Option A, less than td greater than option B, less than tr greater than option C, less than table greater than option D, less than th greater than. The correct option B, less than tr greater than. Which tag is used to define an unordered list? Option A, less than ul greater than option B, less than ul greater than option C, less than list greater than option D, less than menu greater than. The correct option B, less than ul greater than.